Hi guys.
Hi guys. This is my boyfriend. He's the pilot today. Okay, now you can go over this. Okay, as you can tell, I have a crazy background in the background here. It is a plane. 913605 plane. All I know about planes. Today, we are flying this plane all the way from Hershey, Pennsylvania, all the way over to King of Prussia Mall. An hour and 45-minute drive, but we're doing it in 30 minutes in a plane, which is insane. But the whole reason that we're doing this is, number one, it's gonna be tons of fun. Number two, Cheesecake Factory is over there, and we freaking love Cheesecake Factory. And number three, I'm getting a new iPhone because mine sucks. It's the iPhone 7 and it sucks. It is done for. So Stone and Emmy, our two best friends, are coming and doing this with us. But the funny thing is that Emmy hates flying. Like, she hates it. It was a miracle to actually get her in this plane. Well, actually, we don't know if we were gonna get her in the plane yet, but it was a miracle for her to say yes. Wait. Let's go. Trying to put the GoPro on. What if we duct tape it? It's so warm. This plane was just worked on, so it has a new hose, right?
Just got the annual, so.
Gotcha.
If anything happens, I can play it down.
Oh, good. How's that going for you?
It does not like to start, but it's cool.
Okay. My job is to stop the plane, which is probably not the best idea. This is really funny. Okay, Emmy's running away from us, but Stone's here. Hi, Stone. Stone, you haven't been on my vlog in a long time.
No, I have not.
Yeah, but he's trying to work on our GoPro so that it doesn't fall. Zach's working on setting up our headsets in the back and doing all the other piloty stuff. Emmy's coming back. She's not running away. I fixed it.
There you go.
Yay. Emmy's getting in.
You're alive, that's all that matters.
We are moving the plane. Emmy and I are sitting in here enjoying the ride. Huh? Sorry?
You gotta keep staring, Kayla.
What?
Did you notice I've been lost, staying up to the break of dawn, hoping that you'll show a little warm, but you know I feel the coldest when I'm wrapped around your finger.
Hey guys, so we landed in Wingsfield. How'd you guys like it?
That was great.
Emmy said that she would do it again.
Yeah.
So that's what we need
she
here.
Has to. She has to go home.
You're right. I have to.
Yeah, that's true. I just ordered a Lyft and it's gonna get here in 6 minutes, and his name
Whatever.
is Omar. I've never taken a Lyft either, but it's cheaper over here, so we got Lyft. But
I've never taken anything like that.
oh,
Lyft
really?
or Uber? No.
Oh, we've always Ubered.
I've never gotten in a stranger's car.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
Come on, bro.
That's okay. At the stop sign, you're gonna make a right, I think. Thank you.
We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely.
We are now walking around. Stone and Emmy went the other way because we're gonna go get my phone now at the Apple store. We are gonna go get myself a new phone because this phone sucks. It's at 2% and I didn't even do anything on it today. So Santa is right over there. It's only like the first week of November. All this Christmas stuff is out. We have to go up, I think. Yep, we will. Okay, are you gonna just stay there? Zach, come on, I want my phone. Aww. Okay, guys, I'm getting it. Yay! Okay, this is the phone I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get the purple one though. So, we're testing it out. Do you like it? So I just got the purple iPhone 11. Guy there was super nice and super sweet. I loved him. He was helping us so much and he was just so nice and patient. Do you like it, Zach?
I'm jealous.
Finishing the shopping trip, got my iPhone. We stopped at like Forever 21 to see if they had a fuzzy teddy bear jacket. They did not. And now we're heading to meet Stone and Emmy up. Like our shopping trip?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, it was fun. We haven't been here in a while, so it was fun to come back. Even though we didn't see anything and we're broke. There, Uber. So guys, we got here 15 minutes later than we wanted to. I was still gonna be late to work.
Hey, we can take that one. We'll get there on time.
Oh yeah, that jet right there. That 2:52 right now. We were supposed to get here at 2:30. The guy missed a turn by 20 minutes. Okay, we're back in the plane. Are you guys feeling better about this one?
Oh yeah,
I wasn't feeling bad about the first.
totally fine.
Well, Emmy's feeling better. That's good.
But it's so hard to get to you. 'Cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so.
Alright guys, so obviously I am home now. That was so much fun. Seriously, like one of my highlights of this year. I'm going to be making a lot more flying vlogs because my boyfriend obviously is a pilot now. So doing a lot more with like the flying aspect of flying with him. Tomorrow I'm actually flying to school, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. Make sure you stick around. That will be next week's video, so definitely stick around for that. I'm super excited. Let me know down in the comments below if you have ever flown before. It doesn't have to be like a little plane. It could be like a big plane to vacation or something. And yeah, I just want to hear what you guys have to say about that. I hope you guys are having a great day and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you. 'Cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where